If you're over 60, your body might be holding on to a type of fat you can't even see, a stubborn, silent layer that hides deep inside your belly. It's called visceral fat. And unlike the soft fat you can pinch under your skin, this one wraps tightly around your liver, heart, and intestines. Doctors from the Mayo Clinic say this hidden fat can quietly raise inflammation, slow your metabolism, and even drain your energy without you realizing it. But here's the good news. Your body can melt this fat safely and naturally, no matter your age, when you send it the right daily signals. In this video, you'll discover 5 gentle, science-backed steps that help people over 60 reduce visceral fat fast without strict dieting or intense workouts. Each one supports your body's natural rhythm, so you lose fat calmly and consistently. Stay with me until the end because step 5 is the easiest of all, and it works even while you sleep. Step 1, the morning reset. Calm cortisol, wake up metabolism. After 60, your mornings become more important than ever. That first hour after you wake up actually decides how your body burns fat for the rest of the day. Here's why. Your body releases a hormone called cortisol, your natural alarm clock. In healthy amounts, it helps you wake up. But when cortisol stays too high from stress, poor sleep, or skipping breakfast, it tells your body to store belly fat, especially around your organs. Researchers at Harvard Medical School found that older adults who practice calm morning routines like stretching, hydration, and slow breathing had 30% lower cortisol levels and burned fat more efficiently throughout the day. So start your mornings gently. Drink a full glass of water as soon as you wake up. Your liver needs it to flush out toxins and begin fat metabolism. Do 5 minutes of relaxed movement, slow arm circles, shoulder rolls, or a short walk near sunlight. Avoid checking your phone right away. Give your body a moment of peace before the day begins. These small signals tell your nervous system you're safe, and that safety allows your metabolism to switch on. Step 2, protein timing, the 3-meal secret for burning fat naturally. Most people over 60 think they eat enough protein, but timing matters just as much as total amount. A study from the University of Texas Medical Branch found that seniors who ate 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal lost 20% more visceral fat than those who ate most of their protein at dinner. Here's why. Protein is the only nutrient that truly wakes up your metabolism. Every pound of muscle burns about 50 calories per day, and after 60, we lose muscle faster unless we feed it regularly. So instead of saving protein for the evening, balance it across your day. Breakfast, Greek yogurt, eggs, or protein smoothie. Lunch, chicken, fish, lentils, or beans. Dinner, a palm-sized portion of lean meat or tofu. And here's a simple tip. Try to eat your first meal within 1 hour of waking up. That early protein lowers morning cortisol and gives your metabolism the gentle push it needs to start burning stored fat instead of protecting it. If you've ever wondered why you feel sluggish before lunch, this might be the missing link. Step 3, the 10-hour eating window. Rest, repair, and renew. Now, let's talk about one of the simplest and most powerful habits discovered in recent years. Researchers at the Salk Institute for Biological Studies found that when older adults ate all their meals within a 10-hour window, say 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., they lost nearly half their visceral fat in just a few weeks. This isn't strict fasting, it's about rhythm. Giving your body 14 hours overnight with no food lets it shift from digesting to repairing. During those quiet hours, your body activates a natural cleansing process called autophagy. It breaks down damaged fat cells, especially around your liver and heart. To start, try eating breakfast at 9 a.m. and finishing dinner by 7 p.m. Avoiding snacks after dinner. drinking only water, tea, or black coffee between meals. Within a few days, you'll notice lighter digestion and calmer sleep. And within a few weeks, your waistline will start to ease. Remember, this isn't about starvation. It's about giving your body the rest it needs to become efficient again. Step 4, gentle cooling, teaching your body to burn fat for warmth. Did you know your body holds two types of fat? White fat stores energy. That's the stubborn belly fat we want to shrink. Brown fat burns energy. It's your body's internal heater. According to scientists at the National Institutes of Health, older adults can reactivate brown fat simply by spending short periods in slightly cooler environments. In one study, seniors who spent just 2 hours a day at 66 degrees Fahrenheit or 19 degrees Celsius saw their bodies burn nearly 20% more visceral fat in just a month without changing their diet. That's because cool air makes your brown fat wake up, using white fat as fuel to keep you warm. You don't need ice baths or cold showers, just gentle cooling. Lower your room temperature slightly in the evening. End your warm shower with 20 seconds of cooler water. Sip a glass of cool water every few hours during the day. These mild temperature shifts teach your body to become flexible again, using fat for heat and energy. Over time, that flexibility is what keeps your metabolism youthful and active. Now, here's the step most people overlook, yet it might be the most powerful of all. Deep inside your body runs a nerve called the vagus nerve. It connects your brain to your heart, lungs, and digestive system. When you're stressed, this nerve tightens. Your breathing gets shallow, your heart rate rises, and your body starts storing fat for protection. But when you relax it, your metabolism begins to open up. Researchers from the University of Copenhagen found that seniors who practiced deep belly breathing twice a day lost up to 40% more visceral fat compared to those who didn't change their routine. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Keep one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Make sure only the belly moves. Do this for 10 minutes in the morning and again before dinner. It lowers cortisol, balances your heart rhythm, and signals your body that it's safe to release stored fat. Within a few days, you'll notice deeper sleep, calmer digestion, and more balanced energy. So, if you want to shrink visceral fat after 60, remember these 5 gentle, proven steps. Start your morning calmly to lower cortisol. Balance your protein across 3 meals. Keep a 10-hour eating window for rest and repair. Use gentle cooling to reawaken brown fat. Practice relaxed breathing to calm your nervous system and let fat burn naturally. You don't need to do them all at once. Start with one, maybe the morning reset or the breathing practice, and add a new step every few days. Within 30 days, you'll notice a difference: a lighter belly, better energy, and a deeper sense of calm in your body. Because the truth is, your body never stops listening. It just needs the right signals: patience, rhythm, and a bit of kindness. If you found this video helpful, please tap the like button so more seniors can see it. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly science-based tips to help you stay healthy, strong, and confident at any age. Tell me in the comments, which of these 5 steps will you start with this week? I'd love to hear your journey because your story might inspire someone else to begin theirs.